Erokamano Jojo makon report machalo koda mano kawadhi nyime en jatend migao mano mar somo George Mago nyiso joma omi orak mar gero klese e kaunti ma Kakamega mondo tiekgi kapok ochopo kiny sa auchiel mar sa auchiel. Magoha mabende ne limo ikro klese e kaunti no ero nowacho ni migao mar somo dwaro mondo chenro mag klese go orum mapiyo kaka nyalore. Kamano bende onyiso skunde ji giwegi mapok ogero labs mondo kik donjre gi somb CBC. Magoha no limo skunde ma Kakamega High, Mokumo Girls, kuma bende no romo kod Jalup County Commissioner e ikro klese skund sekondar Madundo.
Kakamega seems to be very happy that they are at 93%. There is no child which is 93%. A child is a 100%. And the Kakamega child is also 100%. So we have agreed as a team that all the pending works, which are basically at roofing levels, shall be completed by tomorrow. Tomorrow ends at midnight. Going by the global approach now, I've said that there are several regions. The first one to complete was the Central region, followed by the Northeastern region, followed by the Nyanza region. Eastern region is most likely going to be the next one, maybe by tomorrow. Western region, where there are children, must also complete, and that's why we are here.